Today we have a video from True Crime Police, and the title of the video is Alleged Restaurant Owner Walks Out on $141 Cheesecake Factory tab.
Okay. I was managing a restaurant when one of my servers came over. At the Cheesecake Factory in West Palm Beach. My server notified me that upon taking over one of his new tables, the check that was already open from his guest already had quite a few drinks on it for just one person. However, his guest didn't eat food and he didn't seem intoxicated, so we decided to just monitor him closely to make sure that he didn't have too much to drink. He did order one more drink with dinner, and then that's when we decided that even if he ordered another one, we weren't going to. But regardless, at that point, the total on the check was a bit high for one person, so we decided to keep an eye on him anyways, just to make sure that he paid the check. I watched him go to the restroom. He came back and sat down at the table, told the server that he wasn't ready to pay yet because he was busy watching a show. It was a football game on TV. So at this point, I'm definitely standing there watching him. And then, sure enough, as soon as I turned my back, I turn back around and I catch him walking out the front door, and I sort of just step in front and I say, "Hey, sir, unfortunately, we just need to make sure you paid for his check." Yeah. He kept insisting that he paid for it, but I knew before walking up to him that up until that point, the server had not received it. So that he kind of tried telling us that he gave it to somebody else to kind of throw us off and make us spin around a little bit. And then eventually he was just cursing at me, turned around and walked out the front door. And then that's when security had already been notified by my other manager. So I kind of just stayed with the guest and just politely over and over just kept asking him, "Please, sir, just pay for the check. Please, help us just take care of this, figure this out." And then he just kept walking. Security eventually got behind us and followed us to make sure everything was okay. And then that's when you guys showed up as well.
So the whole time he was there, he sat by himself the whole time?
Yes, sir.
And he never made any attempts to pay which one?
No, at one point, before leaving, it appeared to be making a phone call, but nobody answered because he hung it up right after. And then that's when he got up and walked out.
And he told you that somebody else would pay for his tab?
No, he told me repeatedly
did.
that he gave cash to an Italian gentleman, but we could not figure out who that was.
I got off the phone with 911 because this kid's chasing me around, saying I owe a tab. I said I put cash in a book like that for someone, and someone took it. And then he's chasing me. I'm like, "Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone."
What do you mean someone took it? They can review cameras. What's your name? Do you have your ID?
I paid my tab, and
Do
he's
you have your ID on
chasing
you?
me around. Like, why is this kid chasing me around?
Do you have your ID on you?
I do not have ID. Everybody knows me and what restaurants I own.
Take your hands out of your pockets. Do you have anything with your name on it?
I do not.
So how am I supposed to identify you if you don't have anything with your name on it?
Why
and
do
now
I have
you're
to be identified?
I already told.
I didn't do anything.
We're investigating something right now.
Investigating something.
Sir, what is your name?
This is
What is your name?
getting really old because everybody.
What is your name?
I need a lawyer, is what my name is.
Okay.
Because I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, that's okay.
All right, he's cooked. He's cooked. You're legally being detained. If you're legally being detained in Florida, they can ask you got to identify, man. If you don't, it's a secondary crime of resisting obstruction or something. You're gonna get one of the two. Probably obstruction or whatever. But this guy ain't paying for it, man. Listen, this is a clear sign of theft of service. That's all it is. You can look at this guy, man, and don't judge a book by its cover, yada yada yada. But man, he's not paying no $141 bill, man.
Oh, let me guess. Like some Friday.
Oh, I seen him in another case that I did maybe a year ago.
What's your name, or you want to pick up another charge? It's
that
up to
black
you.
dude.
Well,
black cop.
Which one is it?
A lot of names.
What is your legal name? What's your legal
I
name?
never had legal birth certificate.
What is your legal name?
Why are you cuffing me? I didn't do anything illegal.
What
I paid my tab.
is your legal
I
name?
paid a tab, so why are you?
Yeah, he ain't playing with him. He ain't playing with him.
I paid my tab.
You guys
Let's
are gonna
go.
prosecute, right?
I mean, ideally, we just wanted to get the
He's
cash.
not gonna. He doesn't have no cash on him.
The
So
general manager's on.
I would hope that you want to prosecute, because now we have a guy that doesn't want to give his name up, doesn't want to participate. He said he pays his tab. You know he didn't pay his tab. So, I mean, other than them not learning their lesson and just doing whatever they want, that's our options.
Why are you cuffing me? I didn't do anything illegal. Yo, stop cuffing me. I didn't do anything illegal. Why are you yanking me around, motherfucker?
I'm not yanking you around.
You know who I am.
I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Bullshit.
Who are you?
You know, exactly. Everybody knows who I am, man.
I don't know who you are.
Bullshit. Why are you yanking me around? What
I'm
are
not
you
yanking
arresting
you
me
around.
for?
You're being
Give me a
detained.
lawyer.
You are being detained.
Give me a lawyer. Give me a fucking lawyer right now. Detained for what, you fucking psycho? Detained for what?
For defrauding.
Defrauding, you fucking psycho-ass fake. Fuck you psycho-ass fakes. What are you talking about? Defrauding what, you fucking psycho-ass fake? Who's that little faggot running around like a
Welcome
little
to
chicken after
ShyGotEm
me
YouTube.
out of a restaurant that's not even his? What are you talking about? You're
Put
illegally
your chest
detaining
up
me.
against the door.
Motherfucker, man, I'm not doing this shit no more, you fucking fakes.
Spread your
You
legs.
know who the fuck I am.
Spread your legs.
That you frauded me, bitch.
Spread your
You and your
legs.
f***ing frauded me in my restaurant.
What restaurant's
I'm
yours?
gonna claim
You know what
crazy.
restaurants
I'm
are
not-
mine?
I'm not playing with the crazy game.
Which one?
You're still gonna go.
Which one?
You're still
Fiolas?
gonna go.
Grazianos?
You're still
That's
gonna
yours?
Yeah,
You
fucking
own
right.
those?
That's my fucking right.
Yeah.
So
what's
it's
your
this
name?
town. f***ing.
So what's your name?
So it's everything at Publix.
Everything at Publix is yours
Yeah,
too?
Botticelli.
Botticelli's.
Who's that?
I asked you to put your face
don't
up
fucking
there.
touch
Do
me.
what I'm asking
Hey,
you to do.
Hey, tell him to get his fucking hands off me, man. Fucking little faggots.
Why are you so angry?
Because you're a
Oh.
Because you arrested me for no reason. I paid my tab in cash. And that little is running around with some computer tab when I paid my waiter,
Listen,
the Italian waiter.
Stop screaming.
Listen.
Stop screaming.
You're-
I'm right here. You don't have to scream at me.
You're illegally detaining me for no reason.
Speak to me in person. You don't have to
Tell this
scream.
goon to get off me then.
Who?
Tell him
I
to stop me.
I asked you to do something.
I didn't do
You
anything.
put your chest on the door.
I
That's it.
didn't-
Shut your mouth.
Hey, motherfucker.
Do that. That's it. That's all you have to do.
Hey, don't fucking touch me, man. Don't fucking touch me. You're a fucking bunch of bitches. Everyone has a gun in this state, and you're manhandling me over some fake wannabe tab. Come on, you kidding me? Everybody knows me. You keep doing this to me.
We don't know you.
This is the 5th time you've done this to me.
The 5th time?
Yeah, fuck you, man.
What was the first time?
Have you seen him before? I'm gonna ask this.
Hey, why is he manhandling me over a tab? Everyone's
I
got
asked
a
you to
gun
do
in this
something.
state,
I asked
and
you to
you're
do
manhandling me
something.
over a tab.
Take a photo of his face.
You're gonna go to jail, right?
Why am I going to jail?
I do what I asked you to do. Spread your legs. Spread your
Oh,
legs.
motherfucker.
Now.
Fuck, bitch.
Spread your
My
legs.
Oh, you're
Right?
They gonna get him together, boy.
Right now.
pedophiling, no. I don't owe tabs to no one, bitch, do I? I don't owe tabs to no one, do I, bitch?
You do.
I don't, bitch.
Turn around.
What's my name?
Your chest. up
What's my
against the
name,
door. Simple.
What's my name, bitch? I guarantee it ain't the white boys, it is it, bitch.
Come on, don't play the game, bro.
What's my name, bitch? Why'd you go molest some little faggot with a gun, bitch?
Come on, man.
That.
Bitch, don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Don't do that. You'll
I'm your
lose every
boss,
time.
faggot. You're a bitch. You owe me tabs, bitch. You ate more than you deserve. Where's my Fiola's tabs, bitch? Where's my Graziano's tabs? You fucking little faggots are molesting, raping me around for a legend.
Come on, boss.
A fucking tab, sir. Sir, pay my tab, please. A tab for a fucking meal.
Oh, you can't pay your
They're
tab?
slamming me over.
Why can't you pay your tab? I thought you couldn't pay your tab.
Gold,
I thought you couldn't pay your tab.
bitch, I don't owe you a tab for nothing.
Get in the car.
Maybe you're in the fucking wrong world.
Got his ass right.
Wrong world, bitch. You're in the fucking wrong world.
According to the police report, the customer's tab totaled more than $141 and included 6 Grey Goose tonic mixers, a Blue Moon draft, an order of crispy fried cheese, a Caesar salad, and a sausage mushroom rigatoni. Records also showed the suspect had several prior convictions for similar incidents. He was subsequently charged with defrauding an innkeeper and resisting an officer. Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and
Yeah, you definitely gonna get either a resisting charge or something. You know, that whole ID thing. resisting or obstruction. This is what I was actually looking for though. I've seen this officer. I have seen this officer somewhere. And now this thing don't want to load. Come on, man. I did a video on this guy before. I think it was something about, oh, here we go. It was something that happened at Publix, but I can't remember. It was so long ago. Let me see. Publix. Why is my internet acting? Why is it so laggy? There we go. Right here. There we go. Okay, I found it. Yeah, this was a year ago. That's that same officer. Oh, wait, hold on. I can't. Year. Oh, wait, hold on. That's the throwback. But this that same guy. That's a fact. I've seen this guy already before. There he is.
Relax. Stop. Sit down. You're gonna get Stop. Listen. You're gonna get another.
Yeah, man. I'm like, I knew I seen this guy before. That's a fact. Man, look at the growth we've had, boy. Things starting to go up. We starting to go up. Anyways, but yeah, man. Let me see. Get off this page. Whatever. You know, it's just theft of service, man. You can't go into a place, order up everything, and think you're not gonna pay, man. It's not gonna work like that. Because eventually you're gonna pay anyway. Because whatever charge you're gonna get charged with, if the restaurant wants to pursue charges, you're still gonna have that restitution. So you're still gonna have to pay it, regardless. So I don't understand it, man. Go get some tuna fish and some sandwiches, or go get some tuna fish, some bread, and make yourself a tuna fish sandwich or something. You know, if you can't afford it, you can't afford it. It is what it is, man. But yeah, so I get officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.